So the English Premier League title race is basically over. Arsenal tried and Liverpool tried, but with high-spending Manchester City, with Pep Guardiola as the mastermind hitting the front with 6 games to go, it's all over by the shouting. We're talking about a club with unlimited resources, a club still with over 100 fair play breach charges against them, all yet to be answered. To get the better or even to compete with a club like that, teams like Arsenal and Liverpool have little or no room for error. City continues to have superior squads and have long been favourites to win their 4th EPL title in a row. And now they are just 6 victories away. So while it's disappointing for Arsenal and Liverpool, who tried their best, there is no need for panic. Even in accepting those crippling defeats, we must take comfort in the fact that we are being beaten again by a club with clouds of corruption still hanging ominously over their success.